Hello, children. Good morning. Today we are going to study mental maths. So take out mental maths book. See, children, chapter 3, numbers up to 50, pages 14, 15. Children, now we will be doing division mental maths. So open the page 14. Okay. Page 14. Say, children, match the correct pairs. Say 1 to 10. First say 3 tens, 2 ones. So 3 tens, 2 ones means 32. Okay. So match 32. Number 2, 1 10 0 1. 1 10 0 1 means 1 0 10. Okay. 1 10 0 1 means 1 0 10. 4, number 3, 4 10 6 ones. 4 10 6 ones 46. 4 tens 6 ones 46. Okay. 5, 1 10 9 ones 1 9 19. 1 10 9 ones 1 9 19. Okay. Next 6, 2 tens 3 ones. 2 tens 3 ones 23. 23. Next 7, 3 tens 7 ones. 3 tens 7 ones 37. Okay. 37. Next 8, 5 tens 0 ones. 5 tens 0 ones 50. 5 tens 0 ones 50. Number 9, 4 tens 3 ones. 4 tens 3 ones 43. 4 3 43. Okay. 3 tens 5 ones. 3 tens 5 ones 35. Okay. Next, children, fill in the missing number. You know 1 to 20. Now you practice chapter 3, 1 to 50. Numbers means 1 to total 1 to 50. So 20, after 20 you know 21. So write here 21. Okay. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Very easy. So children practice. Okay. 26, 27, 27, 28, 29, 30. Last 31. So fill in the missing numbers 20 to 31. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. But children, practice up to 50. Okay. Next page, page 15. Okay. Page 15. See. Write the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means small to biggest number. Smallest number to biggest number. So you know, first you find it smallest number. Yes, different numbers. 17, 38, 28, 43, 17. So write the numbers in ascending order. Means smallest number to biggest number. So you see ones and tens. Ones, you see here, ones, 8, 8, 3, 7. Okay. Tens, see here, tens is different. See, number 1, tens, 1, 4, 2, 3. So you know children, first 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 10. Okay. So tens is different. So first 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. So you write 1 tens, you write first 1 7 17. Okay. 17. Next 2 tens, 28. 3 tens, 38. 4 tens, 43. Okay. Next, number 2. 27, 30, 42, 35. See here, ones is different. And tens, ones different, tens different. Okay. So first see here, tens, 3 tens. Okay, first 2 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 3 tens. So first you know 1 tens is not here, so 2 tens, 27 is here. So 27 I write here first, 27. Next see 30 35. See, same, tens is here, 3 tens, 3 tens, but ones is different. See, 0 or 5. See, so you know children, 30 first number, after 30 31, 32, 34, 33, 34, 35. So you write first 30, 3 0, 30, 3 5, 35. Last number 42. Okay. Next 3, 16, 46, 24, 23. See children, tens is different, so it's very easy. Tens, you underline 1 4 2 3. So first 110, next 2 tens. So 2 tens is first you write 110, 110 16. So I write here 1 6 16. Next you see 2 4 2 4 24, 2 3 23. So you know 23 first number, after 20 after 23 24. So you write first 23, after 23 24. So you write 24, and last 46. 46. Okay. Number 4, I hope everyone understood. See tens and ones. Okay. See 33, 1 3 13, 20, 49. Okay. So I underline tens 3, 1, 2, 4. So first I find it 110. Next 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. Okay. So first I write here 110. So 1 3 13. Next 20 2 0 20, 33, last one 49. Okay. Next B. Write the numbers in descending order. Descending order means, you know children, biggest number. First you write biggest number. Okay, biggest number you first write. So children, I write here first. First you underline tens. Okay, 3 tens, 2 tens, 1 tens, 2 tens. You know children, 1 10 is here, 2 10 is here, last number 30. 3 tens means 3 tens 30. So 3 0 30 is biggest number. So write first 30. Then you see 24 22. You know 24 once, you see once, 4 2. 24 is bigger than 22. So write first 24. After you write 22. Last you write 18. Okay. Next number 2. 42, 12, 29, 37. See tens, every tens is different. See number first, tens is different. It's very easy. See 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. So 4 tens 4 is bigger number, biggest number. So 42 you write first. So I write here 42, biggest number. Next 37 I write 2, 29, last 12. Next 3, 19, 23, 36, 48. Children, see tens first, ones and tens. See ones is different and tens also different. So ones is different, so underline, I underline here just 10. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. So you know children, 4 is bigger than 3, 2, 1. So I write first 48. Bigger number, descending order, 8 to 48. Then write 36. Write 23. 19. 1 9. Okay. Number 4. See. 11 9 41 20. Okay. So see, 9 ones. 9 ones. 11 1 10, 4 tens, 2 tens. So you see 41 biggest number. So I write here first 41. Then I write 22. No, sorry, 22, not 20. 2020. Write 11. Last ones, 9 ones. Okay, 9. So see here, ascending order and descending order. Now question C. Write the greatest number in the given boxes. Write the greatest number in the given boxes. See here, 3 numbers is here. Again 12, 37, 25. So you see here, tens, 1, 2, 3. You count na. Tens you count. 1, 2, 3. So 3, obviously you see here. See 33, 37 is big number. 1, 2, 3. Okay. First you see ones. See here. Follow me. Number 1. Okay. 12, 37, 25. Okay. So you write greatest number. Okay. In this box. So see first, tens, 1 10, 0 ones. Okay. I write here. 3 tens, 7 ones. Okay. 2 tens, 5 ones. So see here, ones is different and tens also different. Okay. So first you see ones is a different, so tens also different. So I underline just tens. 3, 2. Now you tally. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So it's very easy. 3 is bigger. So I write here 37. Okay. Now children see, number 1 you write here 37. Next you see 40, 19, 27. So see 40, 19, 27. See 40 big number, 4 tens. So you write here 40. It's very easy. I hope everyone understood. See here 39. Okay. 7 ones. Okay, 7 ones. 17. So 3 tens, 1 10. Okay. So 39 is biggest, greatest number. Next 35, 22, 41. Now again you underline tens, ones. So see here 3, 1 10 is not here. 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. So 4, obviously 4 greatest number, 41. Okay, every time you practice numbers 1 to 50, children, then you practice, you write tens ones. Now you write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, I write here, show you. Tens 1 7 8 9 10. Now you write 11 12 13. So practice and see. See here, 1 to 9 once. I write here once. Just you, after 9 10, so you write 1 10 0 ones, 1 10 1 1, 1 10 2 ones, 1 10 3 ones. Okay, so I write here tens ones. I write here 1 10 4 ones 14, 1 10 5 ones 15, 1 10 6 ones 16, 1 10 7 ones 17, 1 10 8 ones 18, 1 10 9 ones 19, 2 tens 0 ones 20. So you practice, okay, and write tens and ones. So I hope everyone understood. So now children, school diary homework, chapter 3, pages 14 15. Pages 14 15. I hope everyone understood. So practice, okay.